Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to stop your Instagram account from being suggested to others. Start by opening a web browser like Chrome on your phone or computer. Log in to your Instagram account by entering your username and password. Once logged in, go to your profile by clicking on it, which is located left side of your page. From your profile page, click on the Settings option. On a web browser, this can usually be found as a gear icon menu in the top right corner of your profile. In the Settings menu, look for the section called Setting and Privacy. Click on it and then locate the option that says Show Account Suggestions on Profile. You will see a button to include your account when recommending similar accounts people might want to follow. To stop Instagram from suggesting your account to others, simply off this button. After off this button, you will need to confirm your changes. Look for a Submit or Save button, usually located at the bottom of the page, and click on it. Once you have submitted your changes, Instagram will save your new settings. Your account will no longer appear in the suggestions for other users when they follow someone with similar interests or connections. Remember, this setting can only be adjusted through the web browser version of Instagram and not through the mobile app. After completing this process, your account will stop being suggested to other users. If you ever wish to change this setting back, simply repeat the steps and on the button again to enable similar account suggestions. That's it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.